I'm going to be showing you how to make a fidget spinner. So what you'll need is Model Magic, and you want to take a fidget spinner you already have. If you have one, if you don't, you could just like use cardboard and cut it in a fidget spinner shape, whatever you want. And then you could mold it into the Mold Magic, and then you put a bearing from the middle of a fidget spinner in the middle once it's all dry like this, and then you use a hot glue gun to do all the outsides like that. So there it is, and then you have to wait a little while. Obviously mine's not done yet, but hopefully it will be very soon. She is helping me. I did some of this part. And can I try a little bit?
Mm-hmm. I think it's ready for another stick.
Oh. See that?
I'll give it to you in just a minute.
Oh yeah, more sticks. Oh my gosh, do we have 0 sticks left?
Mm-hmm.
We already used 2?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm scared now. Do we have any more?
Mm-mm.
We don't?
No.
Don't we have those other mini ones?
These are the mini ones.
No, those are in the jar. Don't we have a big container of them? Connect it to the bearing first.
I think it's connected.
No, not all.
It's not?
Do this part of it.
And you could smooth down any parts, afterward.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you still need a little bit more on the bearings. Because the bearing can move. I touched it.
And we should have done that part first. Right?
Mm.
So when you started, you should have went around that part first.